What's up, YouTube? Today I got this 2013 Hyundai Elantra with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. I'm going to be showing you how to replace spark plugs today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to continue videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is open your hood, obviously. Pull up on this cover, no bolts on it. Get you a 10mm socket. Going counterclockwise, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You should be able to pull all these out without even having to unplug them. 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now we're going to grab a little 5/8 spark plug action here. Go ahead and reverse that. And since the rubber in my socket's not extracting the plugs, got me a little magnet action here. Now I'm still waiting for the parts to come. I just wanted to get ahead of the game because I'm at work and I'm not trying to be here late today. So when the spark plugs come, I'll resume this video. See y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. Got my spark plugs. I always want to match them up to the old one to make sure they gave me the right parts. Looks good to me. Always check your tips to make sure they're not bent. Drop them down in there. Take your socket and get them started a few threads. Now I'm going to gently run them down with my gun. Take my little manual ratchet here. Just when they stop, another quarter turn. What's up? Yeah, they're $20 plugs a piece, ain't they? Yeah. Even with that guy. Sometimes I do. These are real thin. They're little. See what I'm saying? I thought they were 14mm. I guess Hyundai's not doing the 14 like everybody else is, huh?
I haven't seen them yet.
Everybody else is.
This is also a 13 too.
True. All right. Huh? Yeah, that's a quick little $800 job. Hell yeah. You trying to sell that gearbox for today?
I mean, that's the only thing I can come up with. Other than it's got 150,000 in it. Think it's a gearbox?
I mean, it's just got a lot of wander, so you know, and I don't really hear the clunking over bumps. All I hear is a bunch of rattling from all the stuff.
The noise he was making, it made me think of all that. I was going to say nothing to him because
I just didn't hear any clunking. I just hear a bunch of rattling from all.
like squeaky, like.
Oh, I hear that. That's just dry control arm bushings. They're not busted or nothing. It's just dry.
Some slider all over him for him?
Yeah.
That's what he's complaining about. I was remembering that there's no boots on the ball joint, so I didn't get that.
Right. Well, it's definitely not the ball joints, because when you're going over bumps, it sounds like control arm bushings, like ee, 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 ee.
You want to spray some slaughter on it.
Ball joints don't do that. All right. All right, let me start this bad boy up. Gotta love the work interactions. Sorry about that, y'all. I don't think he knew I was recording. All right, yeah. Hear that? Good old Hyundai and Kia's steering bushing. Guess I'll let her know about that. Anyways, she's running fine. Everything's good. This car's done. Hope y'all like this video. Sorry about the interruption, but you know, I work with other people. It's not just me. So y'all please check like down below. Y'all please subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.